This niche is extremely powerful for making money. With just 12 videos, this channel has generated between $564 and $9,000. And that's not all. The channel was created on March 31st, 2025, and within a very short time and with only a handful of videos, it achieved remarkable success. Now you're probably wondering, which niche is this? What's the RPM? And why is it earning so much? I searched all over YouTube, but hardly anyone actually shows how to create videos like this. One such channel is Crayon Capital, and it's not alone. There are several other channels working in the same niche, quietly growing and earning, while most creators still have no idea this opportunity exists. So friends, the name of this niche is finance. You've already heard about it before, but these channels are not generic finance tips channels. Instead, they create financial documentaries, and that too in a completely unique and different style. There's another channel called The Invisible Hand that's working in the same niche, and it's already monetized with millions of views. The channel was created in 2023, and so far it has uploaded only 67 videos. Despite that, its performance is incredible. A video uploaded just 2 days ago has already crossed 64,000 views, and another video uploaded 5 months ago has gained 2.3 million views. Almost every single video on this channel goes viral, which clearly shows how powerful and in demand this niche really is. Now let me tell you something even more amazing. The content on these channels is 100% AI made. That means everything from the script to the voiceover is created using AI. As you can see in these videos, the setup is actually very simple. AI-generated images, a bit of animation, subtitles, AI voiceovers, and minimal editing, that's it. So the big question is, if the videos are this simple, how are they getting so many views? The answer lies in strong topics, smart presentation, and highly engaging scripts. That's the real formula. Not complexity, but clarity and storytelling. And that's exactly why audiences love these videos so much. To get started, we first need viral video ideas and topics, and for that, we'll use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the prompt box. You'll find the prompt link in the description box. Now, you just need to enter how many video ideas you want. For example, I'm choosing 10 ideas. You can also customize the prompt according to your needs. Once everything is set, simply press enter. ChatGPT will then generate 10 viral video ideas, along with short summaries for each one, all inspired by already viral channels in this niche. Once the ideas are generated, read them carefully. Next, go back to the description box and copy the Stage 2 and Stage 3 prompts together. Make sure you don't skip anything. At this step, you can set your desired video duration. For example, I'm choosing a 5-minute video length. Choose one video idea from the list and paste it into the prompt. I'll go with this topic, as it looks particularly interesting. You need to add the title in both of these places. Once the prompt is set, click Generate. ChatGPT will create a detailed and highly engaging script, complete with strong hooks, suspense, and a scene-by-scene breakdown, including timestamps, mood, and purpose for each scene. Now we'll generate the image prompts and video animation prompts for each scene. To do this, simply copy the fourth prompt and the final prompt into ChatGPT. No changes are needed, just press enter, and ChatGPT will automatically generate image prompts and video animation prompts for every scene. As you can see, ChatGPT is providing the prompts step by step, making them easy to follow. We'll use these prompts in the next step to generate images and create video animations for each scene. This ensures that every visual matches the script, mood, and storytelling perfectly. Go to the official Whisk AI website. You'll find the link in the description box. Next, in the prompt box, paste the image prompt for the first scene. Choose your aspect ratio. I'm selecting 16:9 for this video. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Repeat this process for every scene to generate all the images you need for your video. This method ensures consistent, high-quality visuals that perfectly match your script. Once all the images are ready, the next step is to turn them into a video. For this, we'll use Grok AI, which provides free and easy-to-use video generation features. This allows us to quickly transform our images into a professional-looking video without any complicated editing. On the left side, you'll see an option called Imagine. Click on it. Here, you'll find the video prompt box. First, upload your first generated image. Once the upload is complete, copy the first video prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready. If you're not satisfied with the generated video, simply click Redo, and it will create a new video for you. You can also upscale the video for better quality. Click the three dots and select the Upscale Video option. It will take a little time, but your video will be enhanced to higher resolution. Following this process, generate all your video clips. Ensure to follow and maintain the sequences. Next, we'll generate the voiceover for the video. I'll be using Speechma, but feel free to use 11 Labs or another voice generator of your choice. Now go to Speechma. In the box, paste your voice script that was generated using ChatGPT. Below the box, you'll see a variety of voice generation options. Choose the one that fits your video perfectly.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice. Expressive, versatile, and...
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice. Once you've selected the voice, paste the code into the box and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready to use. Now that we have all the video clips, voiceover, and images, it's time to combine everything using a video editor and create the final video. Open CapCut and export all the videos and voiceovers. Drag the voiceover onto the editing timeline. Next, add the video clips to match the voiceover, adjusting them so they align perfectly. This process is time-consuming, so I'm skipping it for now.
You trust it, but here's the paradox. The most important thing in your life is controlled by people you've never met.
Now, you may hear random background sounds that were automatically generated and sound noisy. To fix this, select all your clips, go to the audio section, and reduce the volume to the lowest level. Now check it out.
You work for money. You save it. You trust it. But here's the paradox. The most important thing in your life is controlled by people you've never met.
Now we'll add background music. Use copyright-free tracks from the YouTube audio library or another trusted source. Now add transitions and effects between the clips, and make sure they match smoothly and perfectly. Once the effects and transitions are added, click the text option, select auto captions, and generate them. Then adjust the color and styling and add them to the video. Select the font style and adjust the text size according to your preference, making sure it's clear, readable, and fits well with the overall look of the video. Once everything is properly set and reviewed, export the final video in 4K resolution for the best quality.
You work for money. You save it. You trust it. But here's the paradox. The most important thing in your life is controlled by people you've never met.